Have you ever seen chickens go crazy for food? Today, I gave mine soaked roti for the very first time. And their reaction was something I didn't expect. Look how they rush in from all sides, each one trying to grab their share. Some pull big pieces and run, while others fight in the middle. Within seconds, the flock rushed forward, each one trying to grab a bite. Some pulled big pieces, some snapped at crumbs, while others ran away with food in their beaks. The coop suddenly turned into a food festival. You can almost feel their happiness as they keep pecking nonstop. It's like a mini food festival in the coop. The soaked roti is soft, easy to eat, and they love it more than regular feed. Notice how quickly the food disappears, every peck. Every bite shows just how much they enjoy this simple treat. And just like that, the roti is almost gone. Not a single crumb is wasted. They finished everything in minutes. Now I'm curious, what should I try feeding them next? Comment your ideas below. And just like that, the soaked roti is gone. My hens loved every single bite. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me and helps me grow this little chicken family. I'll keep sharing more videos about their daily life, feeding experiments, and fun moments. Together, let's grow this channel and community, one chicken video at a time.